We humans have a responsibility to take care of the earth we live on. We depend on the natural resources the earth provides, and we also make earth our playground for recreational use. There's a saying, you should never take more than you can give. Reflect on that. As you all know, besides hiking, my good hiking friends and I also have a passion for conservation, particularly regarding the Hawaiian native flora and fauna. I want to share with you more about conservation, including volunteer organizations that are out there that hopefully one day you can join. In this video, I will be featuring Protect and Preserve Hawaii. This is Ryan, who we've known since 2013. One day in 2021, he invited us to volunteer with Protect and Preserve. Since then, we've been hooked and been volunteering with the organization here and there.
Hi, I'm Tyrone from Protect and Preserve Hawaii.
Tyrone's story of how he founded this organization is truly a blessing. He wasn't familiar with land conservation when he blindly purchased Pia Valley land in 2018. He did his own research, created connections with the community and other conservation organizations, and thus Protect and Preserve Hawaii was created in October 2020, the volunteer program in restoring Pia Valley. A couple things I like about PPH is that there's an event available every Saturday of the month. And also, when you volunteer on Group Therapy Saturday, there's usually a speaker who would present based on their expertise in conservation.
We offer 5 events a month, just different sustainable options for the community. Everything from cultural to environmental and hike. Yeah, you can find all of our information on protectpreservehi.org.
On this day, we joined Tyrone on a super chill Saturday. Pia Valley is located at the end of a residential street located in the Hawaii Kai area. Parking is limited, and so carpooling is highly recommended. After checking in with one of the PPH leaders, we do a short hike beginning on this paved road. Just before the restoration area, there is a cleaning station for your shoes. You'll pass through many a'ali'i plantings when making your way to the Pohaku ramp, which by the way is one of PPH's volunteer sessions, and then reaching your final destination, the amphitheater, which was also created by the volunteers from Pohaku Stacking.
Talks to me. I see the baubles, I see the red whiskered ones and the red vented ones. But what I don't see are what used to be there, like the i'iwi or the apatane.
Okay, Kelly, how did you hear about Protect Preserve and why do you always come to these events?
I actually heard about it through social media. All of my hiking buddies, April, Eric, Ryan, Shang, Darren, they all would volunteer for Protect and Preserve. I also know Tyrone, the landowner, from working out. And then I continue to come because all the people here are so awesome. I feel like they keep me grounded and they keep me thinking about other people besides myself.
Just like Kelly mentioned, volunteering with Protect and Preserve Hawaii introduced us to many great people, and it's heartwarming to be in a community like this that shares the same mindset, committing some time to give back to the land and just having the desire to learn and spread awareness. Conservation is important. We all have a responsibility or kuleana to take care of the land we live on. If you haven't checked out PPH, I highly recommend to join the group one day. Check out Protect and Preserve Hawaii's website and Instagram to get started. Maybe one day I'll bump into you folks. But I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a like if you're thinking of volunteering one day. Till the next time, aloha.